Recently, a man in Florida was arrested for leaving his 18-month-old son in a car for 3 hours while he drank at a bar. The boy's internal body temperature is reported to have been 111 degrees when he finally reached the hospital. He's obviously no longer alive, the child. I did a video saying, you cooked your son. You cooked your son. Your punishment should be that of the death penalty. This is why we need and should continue to have the death penalty for cases like this. And I gave my opinion on what that death penalty should be, that he should be put into a car, locked in, strapped in so he can't get out, and he should be left to cook until he dies. And I've had a handful of people say something to this effect. Doesn't he deserve his due process? Just asking. Oh yeah, he's going to get his due process. He's going to get his day in court. He's going to stand in an air-conditioned courtroom before a judge and maybe a jury of his peers. He's going to be tried. The evidence against him is going to be put on trial. He's going to be afforded a legal defense. Somebody's going to stand up and defend him in a court of law. And then either a judge or a jury, I don't know what kind of trial he's going to have. Either one of those is going to ultimately decide his fate in a court of law. He's absolutely going to get his due process. He's going to get what he didn't afford his own son. Before his son died, his son was not given the opportunity that this guy is going to be given. But what you're failing to understand is, I'm not on the fucking jury. I'm not in the fucking courtroom, and I'm not the fucking judge. I have the right to give my opinion on this subject matter. And my opinion is that this guy's a piece of shit. All evidence points towards him doing this. All evidence points towards the fact that he locked his kid in a car, he went shopping, and then went drinking at a bar. I think, I have to go back and read the reports again. He's the one that took the kid to the hospital and then went back to the fucking bar to go drink it again. I have a right to render an opinion on that. He's still going to get his day in court. He's still going to get his due process. And he's probably not going to get the justice that he deserves. Being locked in a hot car so that he can cook to death. So he can experience every last moment that his son experienced as his son sat there and was, what? How do I get, it's just hot. Even at 18 months old, was probably we're not understanding what was going on to him. Yeah, that father's going to get what that kid didn't deserve or didn't get, and I hope that father gets what he deserves. It's not going to be what I say he should get, but hopefully he gets put into general population. And hopefully the men in general population understand what he was in for, and they take care of what the judge won't.